Seeking help. Okay, so seeking help, it has become one of those weird things, like they will operate on you. They will, a person today said they had put a hole right in there, and of course it didn't work, and it caused some more problems. I'm sure sometimes it can work, but on the average, that's one of a medical doctor will probably recommend, why don't you take some drugs? We'll get some drugs. We'll get you, maybe go to the ear specialist. You might have to have an operation. Let's go over here. Let's do this. There's a lot of different ways, and a lot of them are not working. Some of them are, some of them aren't. So, when I had some of these people started coming, so what I do is I do cranial sacral myofascial, um, but I tell you what, I don't think that's what it all of it is. So I can't really say, oh, cranial sacral works. Oh, myofascial works. It is touch. It really is the touch. It's touching and it's paying attention and tuning in. I do believe that tinnitus, if it's not just healed, it can have variations where you won't have as much pain or it'll be lighter. So I do believe that you don't have to go and have all this medical stuff. You can try other ways, and using our own special hands, that works.